I'm Roger, I'm the writer-producer of Gwledd, The Feast. Diolch yn fawr iawn am ddod heddiw. Thank you very much for coming along to see the film. We made this feature in 2019. We shot it in a house in Llanbista, in mid-Powys, and we shot it over 18 days as part of the Film Cymru BFI S4C scheme called Cinematic. And we were determined to make a film that was singularly Welsh, and a film in the Welsh language, but a film that would have international appeal. So what we set out to make was a very Welsh film, but at the same time a film that feels like a contemporary European film. And we completed it in February 2020, and we all know what happened in February 2020 when the world went into lockdown. So the film kind of sat on the shelf for a long time while we waited to see what was going to happen with film festivals, what was going to happen with cinemas, with them being closed. And it finally premiered at South by Southwest in 2021, went on to be released in North America in November. It's played film festivals all over the world and is being released in countries such as Italy and the Netherlands and some other places, but was finally released here in August of this year. It was kind of very frustrating for a lot of people because they were seeing stuff online about, oh, the film has won an award in this festival, or it's out in America. But when can we get to see it? So it was brilliant earlier this year when we were able to go out and meet audiences and talk to people about the film. I don't want to say too much about the film in case it influences your take on it. It is a horror film. I think it delivers in terms of its promise as a horror film, while at the same time having something to say. I think, you know, it is a film which has themes about the individual's responsibility to the environment, to one's heritage, and the importance of not forgetting where you've come from. And I'm a big fan of films like It Follows. So it's the horror thing. It's kind of the horror film which also has something to say about contemporary society. So that's probably enough from me. Thank you for coming, and enjoy what's on the menu. Thank you.